Hello Noodles, it's Amy, and right now it is October. And since it's October, we are going to be doing a simple fall craft. Let's get to it. To start, first you need to gather all your materials. We will be needing orange yarn, pipe cleaners, preferably green or brown ones, and burlap cord. We will also be needing some scissors for cutting. The first step you will need to do is get your yarn. You will need to cut out a little piece of cardboard to wrap it around. You will need to wrap it around for at least 40 to 45 times. When you are finished, it will end up looking like this. Since you are done, you need to have a little piece hanging out. You take the yarn off the cardboard. How do I do this one? It's not getting off. Mommy, I can get it off. I need your help. Once you take the yarn off your piece of cardboard, wait, what do I call this?
The end of the yarn.
Get the end of the yarn, and as you can see, the lines are going this way. The yarn is going this way. The end of the yarn will need to go the opposite way. So you wrap it around, but before you wrap it around all the way, you will need a piece of pipe cleaner. So cut a little piece. This is how big your piece should be, about 1.5 inches. Then you lay the green or brown pipe cleaner across from the ball of yarn. You wrap it around and then tie it. Can you pause it now? I just got tired. Oops, I just undid it. Make sure to tie it tight. If you have a little piece at the end, you can just cut it off. Then, as you can see, it is kind of flat. So what you just do is scrunch it up a little to make it puff up. Then you get the ends of your pipe cleaners and put them together. You can twist them if you want. If it is too long and you don't want to cut it, then simply just fold it over to make a small little stem. And there you go, your little pumpkin. Now, to make the garland, you will need to make a lot more. But depending on how long you want your garland to be, depends on how many pumpkins you want.
Start again.
To attach your pumpkin to the burlap cord, you use the pipe cleaner stem. You get your stem and line it up, but leave a space between other pumpkins. You get the stem and wrap it around the burlap cord. Now you have your garland. Hang it up wherever you want to. Happy Halloween!